Hi! In front of me is Blackview BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to access Sound Recorder app by tapping on it. Now click on Allow and while using the app in the pop-ups and click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now you can click on the right one again, and as you can see, my recording is here. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it, select those three dots at the top right corner, tap on rename, type in wherever you wish to, and tap on save. If you wish to play it, just click on it. Then click on the middle button over here. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select the pin icon at the top right corner, and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!